Time is ticking for your moment to shine. We have audition videos pouring in from around the world. Only 4 will be chosen to live their dream out into reality. You can send in your vote for your favorite character at 887 breath.
I'm allergic to apples, so I am told.
I'm an exotic dancer. It's a paid internship with coins for the world.
Palace life really hasn't been my cup of tea.
Granny and I are very close. I take the quickest, safest route when I visit.
So I just got my hair trimmed. No more losing these in there.
But I would just die to try one just once.
An organization befriending local victims of bell tower trafficking. It's on the rise in Notre Dame.
The thousands of square feet, lush gardens, beautiful lavish furnishings.
She made me a bright red cape, even when I'm alone and vulnerable in the woods.
I am so tired of the same old. I recently changed addresses.
Recently, CFCW rescued a poor lad named Hutch, a sweet boy with an amazing voice.
I think a simple life is much more my ideal.
Safety first, I always say. Except for that time when I got eaten by a wolf.
Now I live with 12 grown men who carry pickaxes around.
Swimming, singing, seashells. I want more.
Soon Hutch will join the Exotic Dance Coalition, earning his coins.
Lovely the company to have a full array of feelings to my enjoyment.
Meeting a homeless man and a monkey on the streets is much more thrilling.
I'm not sure how he sneaked up behind me. Oh well.
Well, not so much the grumpy one. I think he needs a bar of soap in his mouth.
People call me selfish, but hey, I don't sell fish.